Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll talk about how to solve the system of equations. What is the system of equations and how it works and how we can solve it. We will talk about it in this video. We have 4 or 3 methods to solve the system of equations. Stay tuned in the next videos because we will talk about all of them and we will explain how to solve the different type of system of equations with a different methods. So stay with us. Let's jump into the computer now. So now this is the system of equation. This is the system of equation, and you can notice that we have 2 linear equations. But these 2 linear equations have 2 variables, not like the normal linear equation that have 1 variable that we can solve it, but this one have 2 variables. So it is a little bit hard to solve it from just 1 equation. That's why we need a system. We need 2 equations in order to evaluate the 2 variables. The first method is called substitution method. In this method, we need to take one of the equations, the first one or the second one, and we will try to solve it in the aspect of one variable. X or Y, it doesn't matter. We just need to pick one of them and put in one side, and the other variable and number will be in the other side. So let's try with this one. We have x minus 2y equals 4 and x plus 2y equals 6. I will take the first one, so the result will be x equals to 4 positive 2y, because this 2y was a negative, and when it jumps to the other side it will be positive. So we have now our third equation, and this third equation we can now put it in the second or the first equation and substitute the value of x here with our result from x here, and then we can solve the exact value of y. Let's try it. Let's say that we have x here. Our x is 4 plus 2y, and here we have another 2y, so plus 2y equals to 6. Now we need to move the 4 to the other side. It will be here 4y equals to 6 minus 4, because the 4 here was positive, and the other side it will be negative. So we have 4y equals to 6 minus 4. That means that we need to now divide the 2 sides by 4 in order to get the y alone. So our y will be 6 minus 4 is 2 over 4, because we need to divide this 4 will go with this 4, and here 2 over 4 is 2 is half. Now we have the exact value of y. Our y equals to half. Now we need to substitute the value of y in the first equation or the second equation or the third equation too, in order to get the exact value of x. Then it will be the result x equals to 4 plus 2 multiplied by y, which is half. Then 2 multiplied by half is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then our x equals to 5. The result y is half. X equals 5. In this one, we have 3x plus y equals 12, and we have 2y minus x equals 10. I will choose the first equation, and I will do it for y. So it will be y equals to 12 minus 3x, because the 3x was positive, and the other side it will be negative. Now we need to substitute the value of y in one of these equations, and I will choose the second one. The result will be 2 multiplied by 12 minus 3x, which is the value of y, minus x equals to 10. Now we multiply this 2 inside. It will be 24 minus 6x minus x equals 10. Now we need to move the 24 to the other side, and it will be negative, and minus 6x on minus 6 minus 7x, and 24 to the other side will be 10 minus 24 is minus 14. Our x, it will be minus 14 over minus 7 because we have divided the both side with minus 7. So our x equals to 2. Now we need to take this 2, the exact value of x, and put it in the third equation in order to get the exact value of y. So y equals to 12 minus 3 multiplied by x, which is 2. So y equals to 12 minus 6, y equals to 6. The two exact value of this equation, x equals to 2 and y equals to 6. Let's take another example. In this example, 3x plus 4y equals 12, minus 2y plus x equals 8. I think I will take the second one and make a third equation from it. For x equals to 8, minus 2y on the other side will be positive 2y. And now we will take this value of x and substitute it in the first equation, and it will be like that. 3 multiplied by x, which is, open brackets, 8 plus 2y, close the brackets, plus 4y equals to 12. 3 by 8, 24. 3 by 2y, 6y, plus 4y equals to 12. Now we need to move this 24 to the other side, and 6y plus 4y, it's 10y. So 10y in this side, and in the other side, 12 minus 24 is minus 24. 12 minus 24, it will be equal minus 12. So it is 10y equals to minus 12. Let's take it to the other side. Then y equals to minus 12. And now we need to divide the both side over 10 in order to get rid of this 10. Our y will be minus 6 over 5. This is our y. Now we need to put this exact value of y in the first equation in order to get the exact value of x. Let's go to a new page. X equals to 8 plus 2y, and we know that y is minus 6 over 5. Our y minus 6 over 5. Now we can put it here, and we can then extract the exact value of x. 8 plus 2 multiplied by minus 6 over 5. X equals to 8 plus, here will be minus 12 over 5. Positive multiplied by negative, it's negative. Then x equals to 8 minus 12 over 5. And now we can reform it. 5 by 8 is 40, and 40 minus 12, 28. Then our x is 28 over 5. This was our video for today. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.